this is Priyam from Team Miss Malini और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि मैं इतना blush क्यों कर रही हूँ, it's because Jimmy Shekhar is in the house. Hello.
Thank you so much. सत श्री अकाल जी. Hello
सत श्री अकाल जी. How are you feeling? Good?
I'm feeling great. Yeah.
थोड़ा ऊंचा तो बोलना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल बोलूँगा आपको बोलो.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations on Happy Bhag Jayegi.
Thank you so much.
Your role in particular, everyone is loving it. When I went to watch it, I was in Gaiety और फिर से ऐसा हुआ दुखद हादसा कि लड़की नहीं मिल पाई आपको. And I swear I overheard you were like हमेशा हो जाता है इसके साथ.
हाँ, लड़की ने सिंपैथी मिल गई. हाँ, ये 4-5 फिल्मों में आई थिंक ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ. वो आप जो अभी गिन रहे थे बैठ के, तनु वेड्स मनु पार्ट 1 और 2 में, तो उसमें तो लड़की एक ही है. फिर दूसरी भी आई, नहीं मिली, तो 2 वो हो गई. उसके बाद एक ये फिल्म हो गई, 3. एंड देन देयर वुड बी मेरे यार की शादी है. एंड देन वी हैव नहीं, मेरे यार की शादी है कैसे
नहीं मिली थी ना.
मेरे यार की शादी है में विपाशा मेरे पास आई थी ना.
ये कंसोलेशन प्राइज नहीं
कंसोलेशन क्यों है?
मेन हीरोइन नहीं मिली थी.
मेन हीरोइन
जिससे आपको प्यार था वो नहीं मिल पाई थी.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं. हाँ, चलो ठीक है, नहीं मिली. उसके आगे नाउ व्हिच वन? दिल है तुम्हारा आई एग्री, उसमें नहीं मिली थी.
फ्रेंड जोन. हाँ,
सो बेसिकली और कौन सी? स्ट्रेंजर्स में लड़की को मार दिया था.
और मुन्ना भाई में?
मुन्ना भाई में तो लड़की का एंगल नहीं था ना मुन्ना भाई में.
देख लिए आँखों में आँखें डांसी.
वो तो हायर्ड डांसर आई थी और उस हिसाब से था. तो
पर आप लोग गए थे डेट पे, कैरम वाले सीन में आपने बताया.
आपको कैसे पता? शायद इसको मिलने वाली हो लेकिन उससे पहले ये मर गया. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
We thought we were dark. Okay, everyone who's tuned in live, you know how this goes. Please send in lots of questions and love because he's right here. So, anything.
Just lots and lots of love. Amrita says, I like his acting very much. Iman says, hello Jimmy sir, lots of love.
Amrita, Iman, hello.
Okay, so you also have such a successful career in Punjab. तो वहाँ पे is there a difference working in both industries?
Not really. I think since 2004, I've been doing one Punjabi film a year. And it's great that Punjabi cinema has come up in such a big way. I still do one Punjabi film a year. And I think most of the technicians are from here. Most of the crew members are from here. It's basically Punjabis who've come from Punjab and made a name for themselves in Bollywood. And now they go back and shoot for some Punjabi movies. So yes, I did start that because of kind of an emotional attachment that you have with the place that you belong to. And that time I thought that, Punjabi cinema does. The first Punjabi film that I did, Yaran Al Bahara, when that film released and I saw the kind of a response that it got.
Punjabi cinema also has such a market like worldwide.
Yes. Yeah. Now obviously there's overseas and everything like that. But that time I thought that this industry has the scope of becoming something like a big commercial industry, like Bollywood or like any other regional cinema down south and stuff like that. And that is why every year I kept, doing one Punjabi film, not only just shooting for it, but also taking out about 2 months to go and promote it worldwide. It was almost like going and knocking doors and saying, listen, our Punjabi films are not that bad. Please come and watch our Punjabi films. So it feels great today that when you see the box office of Punjabi films and Punjabi films doing so well and so many Punjabi films being made today. So it's great, but I think we still have a very long way to go.
Which, how Marathi cinema is so huge now, but it wasn't always, it comes up. Okay, so this is your 20th year in this industry.
Is it? Yeah.
It's your 20th year. I'm not going to reveal my age, how young I was when I saw Matches, but I was very young.
I thought you were going to say that you were just born or something.
नहीं, मैं थी, 5 साल की थी मैं. ऐसी बात नहीं है. But 20 years, what's been your biggest learning? First of all, congratulations.
I think you learn, thank you so much. I think you learn from every film, every role that you do. It's got nothing to do with the fact that अरे ये फिल्म नहीं चली या जो भी है. वो नहीं भी अगर कोई फिल्म चलती है तो कुछ आपको सिखा के जाती है, या तो उसमें जो आपने काम किया है वो सिखा के जाता है, या उस फिल्म में काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस आपको सिखा के जाता है कि मतलब it teaches you something or the other.
या फिर ऐसी कोई बात जो पहले नहीं थी but अभी how promotions are so big now. This whole promoting your film this intensively.
Well, I
probably
think
didn't
that
happen.
time there were a lot of things that are there today and weren't there that time. I think there were just 3, 4, 5 television channels at that point of time. And you could count them on your fingertips. There was this Sony, there was Z, there was Home TV, there was DD, and there was no Star and all also came
Acha,
later
came
on.
later.
So I'm talking about 4-5 टेलीविज़न चैनल्स होते थे, गिने चुने शोज़ होते थे और 10-12 मेन बड़े प्रोड्यूसर्स आप गिन सकते थे अपनी उंगलियों पे. उसके अलावा ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. अब नाउ यू सी सो मेनी कॉर्पोरेट्स आर देयर, सो मेनी टेलीविजन चैनल्स, रियलिटी शोज, अदर शोज, सो मच हैपनिंग ऑन टेलीविजन, so many films being made. So there is a whole lot of stuff happening today which wasn't there at that point of time. And but only thing is that obviously जिस तरीके से ये सारी चीज़ें बढ़ी हैं उसी तरीके से यहाँ पर आने वालों की तादाद भी बढ़ गई है. और बॉम्बे जो है वो धीरे धीरे है तो छोटा सा आइलैंड, बस उसके ऊपर कितने लोग जाएंगे वो भी धीरे धीरे दबता जा रहा है. और हमारे टाइम में तो व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल 97% of the students would apply for joining the armed forces. They would give exams and take exams and stuff like that. Or 97%, so it was damn difficult for people like me. I mean, it was my dream to actually join the armed forces at that point of time, and I couldn't qualify because of certain subjects. And today's date and time, वो 3% भी नहीं ऐसे होते होंगे जो बोलते होंगे कि हमको आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में जाना है, हमको वो करना है. तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है देश के लिए लड़ेगा कौन?
लड़ेंगे काफी लोग. Do we have questions?
Yeah. Lots of messages. Himali says, totally proud of your work and love your movies. Please come visit us in Cape Town, South Africa. Would be great to see you in a movie about the Indian community who have settled here.
Thank you so much. Hopefully we'll see you soon in Cape Town for some shooting or the other.
Dwani says, I like his attire. He looks different.
Different.
Thank you so much.
Actually, it's true for denim on denim, your channel.
Denim on
We love
denim.
it. Yes.
Neha says, Jimmy, please do movies where you get the girl we want to see you happy.
Yes, I will now do. I will make sure that I don't do any film where I don't
Do
get
you
the
see
girl.
this? This is an internet phenomena.
So much of sympathy. I'm getting emotional.
No, but that's what I'm saying. We were telling you earlier that why so much shock value, because like, who wouldn't want to end up with him? Hello. Why aren't you getting girls in films? This needs to be a hashtag, guys. Get on it. Okay.
Arunima says, have you played Pokemon Go? Love you.
You know, it's not come into India yet. We're waiting for it. I mean,
we'll
but
tell you
we
how to
downloaded it when I was shooting in Canada. It's not working over here only. It's just says that this app cannot be, updated or whatever. So we're waiting for it to come to India. It should come to India. It should be a race.
Will we? We'll
Yeah,
see.
please.
We'll see. Not on camera, but don't worry. Okay, so are you tech savvy? Are you into apps and like?
I'm trying to be here. I think, I'm not very good with all these. I'm talking in terms of your social
Social
networking sites and all that, whatever. But of late, I'm trying to. अभी मेरे को किसी ने एक वो retweet करना सिखा दिया था. मैं ऐसे retweet करता हूँ कि आधे लोग भाग जाते हैं छोड़ के कि इतने retweet. So I just feel that यार अगर किसी ने बेचारे ने आपको कुछ लिखा है, अच्छा लिखा है, तो even that person wants कि आप उसको रीट्वीट करो या रिप्लाई करो, सो आप उसको करते हो. बट मैं ऐसे लग गया हूँ मशीनरी की तरह की टाक 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 टाक. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल अनफॉलो मी ऑल्सो कि व्हाट इज अ मैड गाय और व्हाट. बट दैट्स ओके यार. आई थिंक देन आई स्पोक विद सम पीपल एंड दे सेड दैट दोस पीपल हु अनफॉलो यू दे नेवर वांटेड टू फॉलो यू एनीवेज if they are getting irritated by your retweets or whatever. But I said that what is important is those people who are tweeting and stuff like that. So मैं धीरे धीरे करके ये सब चीज़ें सीख रहा हूँ. फेसबुक में नहीं समझ पाया हूँ अभी तक. If somebody puts something on the mentions, how do you copy and paste it on your main page? That's something that's
things to teach Jimmy right now.
so, but yes, I'm trying my level best to get on to all this, and very soon, maybe 6 months or something like that, I'm going to be at it big time. Because I think this is a very nice way of directly being in touch with with people who are following you and interacting with them, having some fun and stuff like that. And very soon.
What about Instagram?
Instagram also. Instagram is, I mean, it's slightly simpler because I take a picture, just write something, and just post it. So that's nice.
Okay.
But there is lots more you can do with it, which I've still not figured
There's
out.
also Snapchat. Now
There's
Instagram
Snapchat.
also has stories.
I have downloaded it, but I'm still not. I mean, I'm trying to, like I told you, I'm trying to figure out because there's the MSQRD, the masquerade or whatever. You click a picture on that and then you put it on your this thing. So
cute, my God.
so I'm
I
trying to
focus.
do all that, but I'm doing it for a reason because I think it's a great connect with everybody.
And of course, all your fans everywhere are going to be super happy. So Jimmy, I want to always ask you that you walked into this office, everyone is going crazy. सुबह से काम नहीं हो पाया यहाँ पे. You have such great following. You've done such amazing work. Even in like not so amazing films like, I don't know, Fugly. Like you were the best part. Like so many movies. Like I have never seen a bad Jimmy Shalgir performance. Do you sometimes feel you're underrated as an actor? But
I think I take it as a very big compliment when somebody says that you've not got what you deserve or whatever. I think it's a huge compliment that somebody is giving. It's better than somebody saying that you don't deserve to be wherever you are, and whatever that would be really disheartening. So I think.
hard to like take. I mean, if you generally look at it, because 20 years is such a long time, and of course you've done very well for yourselves, but. You know, there was that level that you think superstardom has eluded you.
I think all those things are, like they say, one elusive Friday. Things can change. That I'm not worried about. From my end, I think one has to keep working sincerely. And I think it feels great when people say that, you know, with sincerity, he's worked with full honesty. It shows on screen, this, that. So I think that pushes you to keep, kind of doing good work, yeah.
Absolutely. Yes.
Priyanka asks, any plans for Tanu Weds Manu sequel?
If Kangna does not choose Jimmy in that picture, I am going to not go and watch it. That's it. Any plans of a sequel?
Yeah, if in this one they don't give me one of the girls, I'm not going to do the film. Let's see how they make the third one then.
It needs to happen.
If you like this video, like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Love.